Hi, this is Punith Kumar. I joined Jspiders in the month of April 2024 as an incubation student. After coming to the Jspiders, I trained on SQL by Sanjay sir with the mock rating, and after that I completed my core Java concepts with Pawan sir, Vivek sir, and Kaushik sir with mock. So next I completed my web technology by Ningaraj sir. Recently I completed in the month of December advanced Java and frameworks, and also project by Ravi sir. So in Jspiders I registered almost 10 companies. So in the 10 companies, 7 was scheduled. In that 7, 3 was rejected in the first rounds. After the rejections, I went to the grooming sessions daily. So after gaining the knowledge on that grooming sessions, I went to the remaining 4 companies. In that remaining 4 companies, I went to up to HR round. So all the 4 companies I completed HR round. In that 4 companies, 4 was rejected. So 1 was pending and 1 was selected.